Hi guys, I'm Komal and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make cheesy garlic naan at home, and this is going to be without yeast. So I'll be using one special ingredient which is easily found in your kitchen that's going to substitute yeast, and it's going to be a super interesting video guys. So let's begin. So to make the dough, first we're going to start with plain flour or maida. Over here I've taken around 1.5 cups of maida. And then I'm going to add salt. Going to add baking powder. So once we're done with this, I'm just going to mix everything together. And one more tip guys, if you want your naan to be super soft and you don't have baking powder, you can go ahead add some curd. It's a good replacement for baking powder. And now what you have to do is just add some water and put a soft dough. Okay? And once we're done with kneading the dough, I'm just going to apply some ghee and I'm going to allow this to rest for 30-35 minutes. Okay, just make sure you put a napkin so it doesn't dry out. And moving on to the cheese garlic filling. Over here I've taken some mozzarella cheese and I'm going to add some chopped garlic, some chilies. And now I'm going to add some chaat masala. And our cheese garlic filling is ready. Now moving on to the dough. After we have let the dough to rest for 30 minutes, you will see that the dough has slightly risen. It's because of the baking powder. The best alternative for yeast is going to be baking powder. So if you guys are not adding yeast, then go for baking powder, and trust me, the results are almost the same. And now I'm going to start rolling out. And now it's the time for us to add the filling. And now I'm going to bring the edges together exactly like the way you see it, and I'm just going to take out the extra and I'm going to twist it and make a potli. Flatten with your palms, and I'm going to dust it in flour and begin to roll in a way that we get an elongated oval naans. Alright, you can choose any form of shape you like, but I think the usual way of presenting naan is oval. And I'm just going to add some kalonji and some coriander and mint leaves. I'm going to press it down so everything is nice and intact. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water, and on the other side I'm just going to put some water so it sticks to the pan. Alright, and on the hot pan I'm going to start cooking it. Keep the flame on high at this point. You'll see the cheese is starting to melt because of the heat. And now with the help of a tong, I'm just going to cook my naan on the flame directly. With this you achieve that proper tandoor effect. Okay, once you know your naan is properly cooked, remove from the flame, slather some butter and serve hot. The combination of a crispy flaky naan with gooey cheese and flavored with garlic is going to be so good guys. Serve this hot with some dal or with some delicious sabzi. I hope you enjoyed watching this one guys, and if you did, you know the drill to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.